guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, as you guys can see, I have my boyfriend here and he is actually gonna help me do tie-dye. So I bought this on Amazon. I'll have it linked down in the description. I have all the white supplies that we are just gonna tie-dye everything, and we have this kit. So I'm just gonna take you step by step and show you guys how to do it. He has never done it before. Yeah, and I did it like a long time ago, like a long time ago. So hopefully this turns out right, and yeah, enjoy the video, and hopefully these don't look like trash after.
I'm kind of nervous. I'm probably gonna get it all over.
No, there's
myself.
gloves. Okay, so this kit is the Soda Ash tie-dye kit. 4 different colors: yellow, blue, pink, and black.
Oh wow, they're powder. I would have thought it was actually liquid.
No, you add water. And it came with a bunch of gloves, which we are definitely gonna need. Soda Ash.
Yeah, I think we have to soak it in soda ash.
Soak fabric for 20 minutes.
We'll be back in 20 minutes.
We'll be right back, guys. I quit. This is hard. Like, I spilled the water. It's like dripping.
And that's like the easiest part of the whole freaking thing.
Literally, I spilled water.
You guys ready to see some bubbles? Pass me the other one, please. I'm not gonna do the hat. We're gonna do the hat, but then we figured that looks.
No, let's do the hat. You want to keep the hat like that? Okay, if you want to keep it.
Yeah, I won't.
If you want to keep it.
I'm not gonna be walking around.
Oh wait, I can't touch it with. I need gloves.
Yeah, read the instructions. This is exactly what I'm telling everybody.
Please. Why is it burning? Babe, my hands are burning.
Go wash your hands.
It didn't touch the water, kid.
Why is it burning? Because you just touched the freaking thing and you didn't wash your hands.
Your reaction was. Yeah, this one looks like blood.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so
A few minutes later.
we got everything ready. So basically I'm gonna do the scrunch method, I think it's called, or the crimple, I don't really know. But basically, you literally just like crumple the shirt up randomly.
Are you supposed to dip it somewhere, or you just
No, that's it.
squeeze it in?
And then you tie it with the elastic band. So you just crumple it.
And now I'm gonna do the random method where I'm just gonna crumple it together, I guess.
You can crumple, you can swirl, you can roll. So that's what mine is gonna look like. And then you just... This is the crumple effect. I told you, you can spin it, you can roll it. You can do literally whatever you want.
Alright, we're just gonna do this. Like I can do it like this, right?
Yeah, you can do whatever you want.
But how do I get the bottom? Damn, this is so complicated. I can't believe you were doing this at 5 years old.
Little kids do this. This is like a little kid activity.
I can't believe I never did this. And so what do I do now? A
Tie.
little panito.
Yours will tie it strategically because you did a circle. Do that.
It looks like a rose.
Alright, yours is
Or a cinnamon bun.
You're so like concentrated. We're so quiet and concentrated.
I know. Nobody's gonna be paying attention. They're gonna be like, oh my god. Double tapping on the edge. Skip every 10 seconds. Oh, I messed that up.
Why?
Damn it. Because I wanted to stay within the lines.
Well, you realize when you come out, it's gonna be like a completely different pattern. Like,
Oh, really?
yeah. This one is done. We like her. We're gonna leave her like this. Mine literally just looks like a pink.
That was so easy to do. I'm doing the more complicated
No, I'm gonna
stuff.
do my next one. My next one's gonna be like different colors. guys, next up, I'm gonna do the same scrunched crimpled design method. Oh, you're gonna draw?
Mm-hmm.
He's like,
oh, damn it. I'm gonna put it like that and then I'm gonna...
This is how the second one is turning out, how we're gonna do it. And we're just gonna mix blue, yellow, and pink. Ta-da! These are our tie-dyes. Alright guys, so as you can see, it's a couple days later. I am wearing one of these shirts. This is the one that I did. I actually really like how it turned out. It is a bit longer, so what I'm actually going to do is I'm actually going to crop it. I'm going to show you guys how to crop it, but first I'm just going to do a quick little try on of the other shirts and show you guys how they turned out. So the first shirt that I was doing was this oversized scrunched top. It's actually really cute. It kind of looked like a murder scene at first and I was like, oh my god, this is gonna turn out so bad. It's gonna look so bad. But after I washed it, it did look a little more pink, and then the white turned into a baby pink, so it didn't look like I just cleaned up a murder scene with it, because it was looking bad. I actually like rocking them with these Air Forces. This is what it looks like. So this is the final look. I actually really like it. It's not too small. It's not too like short up here. As you can see, like it covers my butt over here, you can see. So this top is a men's medium. His didn't turn out as well. He didn't put as much dye through the cracks. And that's what I was telling him to do. So when you are tie-dyeing, if you do want to have more like dye than white spots, be sure to get in between the shirt. Like you can see me pulling it through and dyeing it in there and making sure that the dye was going through the cracks. I think I might go back in with some dye and kind of add some more color to this shirt if he doesn't want it. I really like the blue of this shirt and he's so cute. So he made a heart, as you guys saw in the video, and then put an A, but obviously it kind of went away and it washed in the wash and all of that with all the dyes mixing, but this is it. It's actually cute. I like it. I feel like so many people now are tie-dyeing, and there's so many tie-dye videos. I wasn't even sure if I wanted to put mine up, but I was like, you know what? I already filmed it. I already edited it. Might as well get it up, have something for you guys to watch if you are bored in quarantine. But now we're going to bring some scissors and we are just going to crop it. So let's go. So normally I guess you would measure it, but I'm just gonna go in with some scissors and we're gonna see what happens. I feel like around here is where my belly button's gonna be, and I just want to give it a little bit longer, so if it does shrink again in the dryer, that I'll have that extra space. So we are just gonna see how this goes. Hopefully these scissors work. I don't know. Right about here, I want to say. Ta-da! Let's see if it's straight. Let's measure if it is straight. If not, we'll fix it. Damn, I did so good. So this is what the shirt ended up looking like after I cropped it. I do want it to be a little smaller, so I am just going to wash it one more time, put it in the dryer. If it doesn't shrink, I'm just going to grab scissors again and just cut it a little bit more, but if it does shrink, it's going to be perfect. Also, if you do not want the raw, like, cut hem like that, you can just stretch it out a little bit, and the shirt kind of rolls up by itself. But if you don't want it like that, as soon as you wash it, it does go back and pop it in the dryer. It will go back to normal. But that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know I've like never done a DIY, and this is actually really fun, and I'm super glad that I got to do it with my boyfriend. The kits online now are like double the price. I think I bought it for like $16 to $19. Last time I checked, they were going for like $45, guys. That is insane. So hopefully you can get them at a good price if you want to do that, but I highly recommend these colors too. Like, look how vibrant and pretty this is, and we still have like half of the bottles left for every color. So I'm gonna see if we can buy more like white shirts and tie-dye different things. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!